Jonathan and Jason. Stopped by Jonathan to Leo. Leo spins, pass to Jonathan. Edres for easy basket. Edres, 2 points.
Yeah, they scored there. Black scores, yeah. Scoring.
Adam. Parayo for 3, no good. Rebound by Philip. Street fight. Hey. Traveling violation. Mukhang nagkakainitan na ang dalawa, si Arman at Sakit. Edres, face up! Easy basket. At tapa daw ngayon si Mr. Jonathan Edres. Jason fires for 2, no good. Rebound, Arman. Guarded by Sakit. Arman pass to Edres again. Edres nag-isip kung anong gagawin. Pass to Coach Leo. 15 to shoot. Leo. There's the Ramos. No good. Rebound Parayo. Still by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Pass to Ramos for easy basket. 2 points, Ramos. Mr. Wahed. Pass to Glenn for 3. Yes, sir! Ayan ang season MVP last season.
Come back.
Arman, pass to Philip. Pass to Edres, lays up. 2 points. Unstoppable si Edres. Denver dribbling the ball, guarded by Arman. Cross, pass to Refdan. Refdan for 3. Philip dribbling the ball. Guarded by Mr. Wahed. 15 to shoot. Pass to Coach Leo. Leo pass for 2. No good. Rebound Arman. Pass to Leo again to Edres. For 2. No sir. Parayo rebound. Parayo dribbling the ball. Lays it in. Too strong. Rebound. Jason. Steal by Ramos. Pass to Edres. Edres, face up. Voila. Nice guard by Mr. McCoy. Pass to Denver. Pass to Jason. Foul number 24. Raise your hands. Arman, first personal foul, first team foul. Denver pass to Jason. And to shoot. Pass to Jason to Denver, number 3. Pass to nobody. Sayang. Hindi nakatingin. Steal by Parayo. Pass to Arman. Steal by Arman. Pass to Coach Leo. Slowly dribbling the ball is Mr. Leo. Leo fires for 2. Easy 2 points. Sabi ni Kiel Leo.
Running score 10-3 in favor of black team.
Denver. Setting up the plays, Denver number 3. To Jason. Titirahan na yan.
15 to shoot.
To Sakit. Wahed. Lays up. Shoes! Wala! Rebound by Jason. Pass to McCoy. Fakes for 3. Steal by Gonzalez to Arman. Arman crossover. Arman, ano kayong gagawin? Pinasa kay Edres. Short! Rebound by Arman. Daming rebound ni Arman ah. Oy, blind pass to Edres for 2. Wala! Rebound by. Top by Jonathan. Lubin. First personal foul, second team foul. Team Black. To Wahid. For three, short. Rebound by Philip. Philip lays up, pass to Edwards, easy 2 points. Yan, timeout! Timeout! Moving. Official score, 12-3 in favor of Team Black.
I-check Liwan Basketball, Facebook. Siya yung YouTube also.
Denver to McCoy for three. No. Rebound by Arman. Rebound din naman ni Arman. Arman. Pass to Philipko. Philipko. Half the ball. Pass to Edres. Edres. Traveling violation. Dribble muna bago ang takbo. Denver, makakashoot na kaya. Guarded by Arman. Pass to basket number 11, Sakib. 2 points for Sakib. Arman, 0 points. Philip, pass to Eves. Eves back to number 11, Ramos for 2. No, rebounded naman yan. 5 to shoot. Bang! Leon, 2 points. Kala mo naka 3 points.
Ang galing mo, Pati!
Gusto magka-t-shirt ay magka-jersey Denver versus Strong. Philip rebound. Umataas si Philip. Philip plays it up. Easy 2 points yan. No, rebound by Saki. Pass to McCoy. McCoy to Jason. Jason. Denver style is just sabi ni Denver. 2 points. Alis dyan sabi ni Coach. Hinaharangan mo ako. Alis dyan. Nga naman, paano makakalaya? Buti ka.
Go!
15 to shoot. Edres, easy 2 points. Unstoppable, Mr. Edres. Running forward. Best player. 16-7 in favor of Black. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng gulaman sa go ni Philip ko. Baka naman. Oh, Julie the ball. Guarded by Mr. Wahid. Screen by Arman. Arman, pass to Edwards. Nice pass by Arman. Basket counted. Edwards, 2 points. Foul number 6. Jason. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to Mr. Edwards. No good. Rebound by Sakib. Pass to Denver. Pass to Parayo. Titirayan. For 3. Bang, bang, bang. Parayo. 3 points.
One stop free throw, come on! One stop! Just go down!
15 to shoot. Edwards, nice pass by Filippo. Supply nga ng Denver, pass to
Sakib. Sakib, guarded by Arman. Pass to Denver. Pass to... Still by Arman. Arman dribbling the ball.
last 40 seconds. Pass to Ramos Fish. Pass to Edwards. Nice fish by Ramos. 2 points, Edwards. 30 seconds.
Tutunog na yan. Denver. For 3. No good. Rebound by. 20 seconds remaining. Sakib, rebound. Fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Edwards to Philip.
10 seconds. Leo, mix it up. Yes, sir. Gonzalez, 2 points.
6-9.
To Denver, tutunog na lang po. And it's the first quarter. Official score natin. 22-12 in favor of Team Black.
Siyempre, season MVP yan. Siyempre, lalabas ko yan.
Lumabas daw eh. Lumabas pala.
No. We're substitute. Pumipili.
Clock.
Paano yung block? Ipili ka, Denver.
Pili pala.
Sabi niyo si Edwards. Ay, di. Ilan ba kulang niyo, pre? Ay, isa lang pala.
Hindi niyo pinupo si Philip?
Isa lang papas mo. Sino? Arman in.
Kala ko pinapasa si Philip.
Pili. Okay na.
Papasok. Denver to Paner. Pass to Jason. Lace up. No good. Again. Yes, sir. Nakapasok din. Thank you, Lord. Sabi ni Jason. Rigondola dribbling the ball. Rigondola pass to number 26 Pins. Ganda naman ng move na yun. Veteran sa veteran. 2 points to Guay. Sakib for 2. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Tap by Jason. Tumakoy to Paner for 3. Short. Rebound by Paner. Good. Denver for 3. Bang! Ako na lang, sabi ni Coach. Denver, 3 points.
Pahinga ka sa ulit.
Lumalapit na. Rigondola. Pass to Edgar. Foul. Raise your hands. Number 6. Second personal foul. First team foul. First throw, basket. Ready jumpers. Blue green ball, too soon. Too early to wake up. Sakib traveling violation. Kitang-kita. Arman. Guarded by Wahid. Pass to Ray. Langit. Wala. Too strong. Rebound by Fire to Sakib. Sakib. Pass break to Coach. Lays it up. The master of layup. Mr. Dev. Timeout. Team Black. Official score. 25-19 in favor of Black. Dito na yung mga sponsor natin. Mr. Ryan Sintosa, I would like to acknowledge, and Mr. Karam Ganim. Good evening. Third quarter. Ay, second quarter. Second quarter pala. Alam ko tapos na yung second quarter. Nagmamadali yung committee ha. Ram, nagmamadali rin si Ram. For two, wala. Rebound for Ram again. Pass to Aris. Spins. Yes sir. 2 points by Aris. Ang aking favorite player ng season 1. Aris di maunahan. Wahed, pass to Denver. Slice, no. Pick up by Jason. Pass to Mr. Wahed. Pass to Paner. 10 seconds to shoot. Saki, pass to McCoy. 5. Jason for 2. Wala. Tap by Denver. Good. Edgar dribbling the ball. Lays it up. Malakas masyado. Foul number Wahed. 22 pala. First personal foul. First team foul. Pass to Paner. Dribbling the ball is Paner. 15 to shoot. Paner, lays up, basket! Walang buwalya, libre-libre! Si Boy Labo yan, di nyo binabantayan. Isang linggo bago makashoot. Ram for 2. Wala pa rin, rebound by Ray, follow up. Short, rebound by McCoy. McCoy, pass break. Inbound by Arman to Ram. Pass to Edgar. 15 to shoot. Edgar for 2. Bang! Shooter din niya. Bantayan niya yan. It's just an H. Sakit party by Arman. This is the off foul. Arman. Ilan? Timeout, blue-green. Second personal foul.
How are you? You're not playing?
Kuya Ryan.
29-28. Lumalapit na po. 8 na lang. 3 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Back to the ball game.
Green ball.
Number 11 to number 13. Back to Sakib. Dish steal by Arman. Arman. Pass break. Foul. Good foul. Side ball. 13. McCoy. First personal fouls. Second team foul. Blue-green. Aris di maunahan. Pass to Rigondola. 10 to shoot. Pass to Edgar. Traveling violation. Science and technology. Sakib lays it up. Too strong. Top by Denver. Good top by Denver. Jason. Short pass to Sakib. Lays it up. Yes, sir. Sakib 2 points. 29-23 in favor of Team Black. Just 6 points lead by Team Black. Too strong by Edgar. Rebound Paner to Jason. To Sakib. Sakib dribbling the ball. Sakib pass to Denver. Top by Arman. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Hatid sa inyo ng Philip Cos, Gulaman at Sago. Baka naman. Uy! Tumira agad. Aris rebound. Aris nag-isip. Pass to Arman. Ay, pass to Paner. 2 points. Nice pass by Aris. Batang-bata pa yan. Saki. Slice to the basket. Black ball. No foul, no foul. 1 minute. Pass break to Edgar. Lays up for easy basket. 2 points. To Denver. Denver. Crossover. Lays up. Easy basket then. 2 points. 45 seconds. Time remaining. 33-25 in favor of Team Black pa rin. 15 to shoot to Ray. Fakes. Lays up. No. Rebound by Jason, number 6. To Mr. Wahid Wahid. Saki crossover. Foul number 4. Bigondola. Blocking foul. First personal foul. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Saki. First attempt. Basket. Second attempt. Yes, sir. 2 points for Wahid. 33-27 official scores. 15 seconds. Bigondola nagmamadali. Screen by Paner. 10 to shoot. Edgar. For 3. No. Rebound by Arman. 5. Arman for 2. Short. Rebound by Jason. End of the ball game. And the second quarter. Official score natin. 33-27. Ay, yung sasayaw. Pasok!
Sure? Gina, ha? Ay, G!
Gina G. Koto. Ito na ang pangmalakasan ng Team Black. Redress. Back to Paner. Foul number 21, Kuya. Sino ba si Kuya? Big bro foul. 21. Pushing. You push your brother. Later. Bawi ka later. Bawi ka sa bahay. First attempt, no good.
He's in Germany, he's in somewhere. In June I went again. Okay,
Second throw, no good. Rebound by Parayo. Harassed by Ram. Bigondola. Pass to Denver. Denver for 3. Short. Mas madali si Denver. Lays up. Pass to Paner. Pass to Parayo. 3. Wala. Rebound by Gonzalez. Pass break to Paner. Back to Edres. Steal by Sakib. Steal by Philipko. Wait lang, sabi ni Philip. Philip. Pass to Gonzalez for 2. Easy to... Oy! Wala. Makoy, fast break to Denver. Patay na kay Denver yan. Gahiling coach. Foul Denver. Magulang ka talaga, Coach Leo. First personal foul, second team foul. Ram to address. Patay ka dyan. Back to Ram. Wala. Rebound by Parayo. Guarded by Philipko. Lays up. Wow, wala. Rebound by Saki. Follow up for 2. Basket is good. 2 points, Saki. 33-29. Official score. Address. Crossover. Lays it up. Wala. Follow up. Yes, sir. Unstoppable si Ednes tonight. Ito para.
Not acceptable.
To Gonzalez. Round to Ednes again for 2 points. Easy 2 points na naman si Ednes. You need to stop Mr. Ednes tonight. Too easy. Adam is not in the ball game tonight.
Now I'm thinking I'm gonna take
Then the shoot. McCoy for 2. Yeah, wala pa rin. Rebound by Ednes. Go. Back to Edres. One dribble, one stop, wala. Rebound by Paler. Guarded by Paler. To Pilipko, pass to Paler. Nawala. Back to Pilipko. 3 seconds violation.
Kita-kita itlog dito.
Kuwang-kuwa sa video. Salamat kayo dyan. Mga misis. Foul, number 24. Number 4 lang pala. Second personal foul. First team foul. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. First throw by Sakib. Basket. Shot left, shot. Pwede. Abang, Jow. Basket counted it. It's time to learn, guys. Basket, no sub. Rebound by Ram. Rigondola, pass ball, foul. Okay, so 0-3 foul Denver. Second personal foul. Pass it. Sub.
لا نكمله بعدين ان شاء الله ولا في حد
Go. Inbounding the ball.
معنا حدا خلاص روح
Pass through Edwards. For 2 points, wala. Nice guard. Parayo. Guarded by Ko. Pass to McCoy for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Sakib. Sakib bumps for 2. No sir. Rebound by Rigondola. Pass to Ko. Ko pass to number 22 Paner for easy 2 points.
You guys are winning? 39.
Inbound by Parayo to Sakib. Sakib, lays up, blocked by Ednes. Jao, rebound for 2, wala. Rebound by number 4. Rigondola, pass back to Pilipko. To Paner, libre, lays up. Easy 2 points. Time out! Blue green. Official score. 41-30 in favor of Black. Our official call is brought to you by Philips Co. Gulaman at Sago. Baka naman! Adam! Adam! Let's go back to the ball game. Wait, time out. Okay.
مسكناه هناك انت شفت
Rebound, pass to Rigondola.
انا عم بقول يلا ليه ما عم يعملوا
Rigondola,
كمان ضايع
steal by Jason. Science and technology. Paner. Taas naman yun. Michael Jordan. Rigondola. Thank you to Banjam, our official tailoring, for drafting the jersey of Mr. Adam. Parayo lays up. Galing naman talaga ni season MVP. Parang naglalakad sa ere. Still, no. Edgar dribbling the ball. Pass to Edres. Yay, foul. Is number 6. Number 6. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Blue-green. 2 free throws awarded to Edres.
انا اخر جيم بوطه
No pass, second throw, nagpapadali si Edres, nagagalit yata si Edres. Sabi niya, ayaw mo sunod. Bibiglayin kita. Denver. Denver dribbling the ball. Pass to, excuse me, Team Black, I can't see. Leo. Address. Address. Pass to Edgar for easy 2 points. Edgar, 2 points. McCoy. Dribbling the ball is McCoy. To Parayo for 3. Titira yan. Rebound by Paner, number 21. Pass to, ganda naman ang pasa kay Denver. Basket, 2 points. Nice play by Team Blue. Green. 43-32. 10 points. 34 pala. 2 minutes 15. Pass to Aris Di Maunahan. Steal by Paner. Paner, pass break to Denver. Almost steal by number 4. Denver fakes for 3. Lays it up. Yes, sir. Ganda naman ang play na yun. Highlights of the night. Oh, konti na lang. Sabi ni Coach Leo, nagagalit na sila yung 43-36. Official score natin. Foul. Basket.
And on.
Foul number 21. Holding foul. Penalty hook. Bonus shot to Mr. Address. Yan, dapat ganyan. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Yun. Substitution rep. Go in. The gondola out. Yung 30, sab nyo na. Puno na yung score sheet. Too much points. Banana for 3. Wala. Address, ako. Pass to Aris. Pass to Edgar for easy basket. Nice play by Team Black. Binabaw na ng Team Black. Bawi kayo, Team Blue. Parayo. Fakes. For 3. No. Rebound by Parayo. Parayo. Lays up. No. Foul number 30.
Ngayon talaga.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Sub. Go. First attempt by Parayo. Short. Mukhang pagod na si season MVP. 30 seconds. Time remaining. Last throw by Parayo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Arman Tuco. 20 seconds. Tutunog na lang yan. Buzzer will just sound.
Come on, champ.
15. Isolation play by Philip Ko. 10. Philip Ko crossover. They sub. Inanan. Basket, 2 points. Tutunog na lang po ang buzzer. 50-36. Favor of Team Black. Alam ng first game.
Come on, Socket.
McCoy dribbling the ball. Makakabawi kaya ang Team Blue natin. To Glenn. Guarded by Arman. 15 to shoot. Denver. Guarded by number 4. To McCoy. 10. Traveling without passport. Science naman.
Pagka may bola sa lubong, alam ko mga sa lubong.
Oh, guarded by pass to Edres. Patay ka dyan. Edres. Out of bounds. Team Black. Blue-green ball. Steal by Edres. Nice steal. Basket counted. Number 11, foul.
Pagod no.
First personal foul. First team foul. Edres awarded foul. 1 point. 1 free throw. No, he won by Sakip. Steal by Ko. 3 versus 1. Guarded by Panari SS. Lays up 2 points. The unstoppable today. Kain ba, coach? Hotdog. Denver. Fakes. Foul. Number 4. Number 4 foul.
Hold out.
Third personal foul. Sub. Nabigyan na mamaya. Okay, sub rep, sub. Arman out. Wala pang point si Arman, nilabas nyo.
Kaya nga.
Hindi ba naman takbo eh.
Rigondola. Guarded by Parayo. Walang kagwardya-gwardya to. Paner. Pass to Edgar na naman. Malakas. Rebound by Edgar for 2 points. No. Follow up by Edgar. Sheesh! Unstoppable. Sub na yun, sub. Sackett dribbling the ball. Pass to Denver. For 3. Bang! Denver. 3 points. Beautiful. Pass to Rigondola. Rigondola drives. Easy 2 points. Wala. Top 2 Rigondola. For 3. No sir. Edgar follow up. Yes sir. 2 points. Time out after the shot. Denver. Pass to Glenn. For 3. Parayo. No. Out of bounds. Time out. Back to the ball game. Asan na yung block? Apat lang kayo ah. Eh, Team Black, can you please move aside? Team Black, Aris. Lay, hindi ko makita Lay. Ayun pala si Edgar na Philip ko. Pass to Paner to Philip ko again. Lays it up for 2 points. Sobrang easy ng shot sa Team Black. Steal by Philip ko. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Wahid for 3. Wala. Pass break to Edgar. 2 points. Edgar. To Denver, out of bounds. Substitution rep. Pasok mo na Leo yung mga out 22. Arman, pasok mo naman si Arman. Wala na ba? Pasok na si Arman. Paano Foul. Paner, 21. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Rigondola to Edgar for easy 2 points. Ano ba yan? Pasok mo na si Arman. Paner to Denver. Denver fakes, lays up, easy 2 points. Rigondola, guarded by number 11. Pass to Edgar to Ram for easy basket again. 2 points.
Kala ko ayaw pa rin.
Sa pag-federal. Dead ball tayo. Denver lays up. 2 points. Short pala. Science. Go.
Come on, three.
Go. Fakes for 3. Lays up. Kinanan ulit. Wala. Grabe mo si Ramos. Oh, ayaw talaga magbigay. Steal by Edgar. Edgar. Pogi shot. Wala. Pass break to Sackett. Lays up. Yon. 2 points. Time out. Time out. Team Black.
Time!
They stopped the time, man. Last quarter, one more kabody. Ano, full time out.
Arman in. Pass mo kay Arman, pre. Pass to Arman. 15 to shoot. Pass to Leo for 2. Wala. Rebound by Edgar. Pass to coach again. Leo. Pass to Edgar. 10 to shoot. Arman for 2 points. Yes! Arman! 2 points! Arman now has 2 points and 50 rebounds.
Not zero.
Not averaging 0 anymore. Arman out of the coach.
Sub Arman, sub.
أول سلم 3 مواسم. بس والله لاعب منيح اليوم. لاعب منيح. يعني باصات وديفنس.
Denver, last throw. No, sir. Sakib, wala. Foul number 22. 24 pala, Arman. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Arman now has 2 points, 50 rebounds, and 3 personal fouls. Second throw, wala. Steal by Sakib. Ups, careful. 22 foul. Penalty left. Second personal foul by Paner.
Guys, I think we start.
First attempt by Sakib. Short.
يعني stretch at least.
Second attempt by Sakib. No. Rebound by Paner. Official score natin 68-45 in favor of Team Black. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng gulaman at sagaw ni Philip ko. Pass to Sakib. Sakib dribbling the ball, lays it up for easy 2
Thanks,
points.
Rain.
Arman guarded by Sakib. Sakib steal. Sakib lays up. Wala. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos to Arman. Pass to Edgar. Pass. Baba daw. Sabi ni Edgar. Baba. 15 to shoot. Arman for easy 2 points. Yes, sir. Not 0 points anymore, Sakib. Back-to-back 2 points by Arman. Pinawihan ni Sakib ng 2 points.
1v1 na lang yung dalawa.
Edgar.
Last minute, 1v1.
Edgar. Pass to Arman for another 2 points. Wala. 1 minute. Hatid sa inyo ng Eat and Drink, where you can eat and you can drink.
3 points.
3 points. Take.
3.
Another one. Oh my God. How about one more? How about half court? One more. Half court.
Arman for 3. No.
One more.
10 seconds. Ingat na lang po tayo.
Hold the ball.
Edves. Number 30, best player of the game, Mr. Edves. Please come in front to sign your contract. 1-year contract sa Liwan Basketball.
Ganun lang.